Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clock widget in Windows 11 Easy Guide. So this actually works as well on Windows 10. For us to be able to proceed, we need to install that one on Microsoft Store. So onto your device, just go ahead onto the search bar and type in Microsoft Store and click onto it so that you could launch it. Right after, here onto its search bar, we're gonna go ahead and search for clock widget. Then right after, we'll have to find a specific clock widget in here that we could use. So we highly recommend to use this one, the widget launcher. Click onto this, and this is completely free. Then right after, once this one is already open, just simply click on Get to go ahead and proceed downloading this widget launcher. So you'll just have to wait for this one until it is installed onto your device. So as you can see, it will go ahead and prepare things for you. You don't have to worry on any installation for this since we're doing it on Microsoft Store. It will go ahead and prepare the app for you. So just wait for this one to be finished. Now it should show something like this once it is installing, and the full size for this is 124.2 MB. So just wait for this one to be done. Now once it is downloaded and installed onto your device, you should be able to receive a notification for that, and you should be able to notice that it changed to open. To proceed, click on open in here so that we could go ahead and add the clock widget on our Windows 11. Now, once you go ahead and open that one, there is an option to go ahead and click on Digital Clock. Right after, you should be able to see the Customization tab. So feel free to choose your preferred style of your digital clock and just click on Launch Widget once you're satisfied. So you should be able to see another Launch Widget button in here. Click onto that and wait for this one to be set up onto your device. Now, as you can see, there is a clock already onto our device. So you could try to go ahead and drag this and move this around the screen. And there are different options as well. So we have here the settings. And you could also try to go ahead and close this if you don't want to see this onto your device, just like this. And that is how easy you could add a clock widget in Windows 11. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.